Rainbow Mountains, China. The Rainbow Mountains in China refer to a geological marvel known as the zhangye landform geological park, located in the Zhangye National Geological Park in Gansu Province, China. These mountains are famous for their vibrant and surreal colors, which make them look like something out of a painting. The unique colors of the Rainbow Mountains are the result of millions of years of geological processes. Layers of different colored sandstone and minerals were deposited over time, and then various tectonic and erosional forces shaped and exposed these layers. The colors range from red and orange to green and blue, creating a stunning visual spectacle. The Zhangye landform geological park is considered one of the best examples of zhangye landforms in the world. Zhangye landforms are characterized by unique, red-colored sandstone formations. In 2009, the Zhangye landform geological park was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its outstanding natural beauty and unique geological features. The Rainbow Mountains have become a popular tourist attraction in China, drawing visitors from around the world who come to witness their breathtaking scenery. There are boardwalks and viewing platforms in the park that allow visitors to enjoy the view while minimizing the impact on the fragile landscape. The best time to visit the Rainbow Mountains is during the late afternoon or early morning when the colors are most vibrant due to the angle of the sunlight. The colors can change throughout the day, so it's worth spending some time exploring the area. Zhangye, a city in Gansu Province, is the gateway to the Rainbow Mountains. Visitors can reach the park by bus or taxi from Zhangye. Conservation efforts. Due to the high number of visitors and the fragile nature of the landscape, efforts have been made to protect and conserve the Rainbow Mountains. Strict regulations are in place to ensure the preservation of this natural wonder. The Rainbow Mountains in China, specifically the Zhangye landform geological park in Gansu Province, are famous for several reasons. Number 1. Spectacular natural beauty. The Rainbow Mountains are renowned for their unparalleled natural beauty. The vibrant and surreal colors of the mountain formations are visually stunning, making them a captivating and unique geological wonder. Number 2. Unique geological formation. These mountains are the result of millions of years of geological processes, including the deposition of different colored sandstone and mineral layers. The combination of these colorful layers, along with erosion and tectonic forces, has created a landscape that is unlike anything found in most other parts of the world. Number 4. Photographic and artistic appeal. The vivid and contrasting colors of the Rainbow Mountains make them a favorite subject for photographers and artists. The surreal landscapes provide countless opportunities for capturing breathtaking images, which have contributed to their popularity on social media and in travel magazines. Number 5. Tourist attraction. The Rainbow Mountains have become a major tourist attraction in China, drawing visitors from all over the world. The combination of their natural beauty and accessibility from nearby cities like Zhangye has made them a must-visit destination. Number 6. Cultural significance. In addition to their geological significance, the Rainbow Mountains hold cultural importance in the region. They are often associated with local folklore and legends, adding to their mystique. Number 7. Conservation and preservation. Efforts have been made to protect and preserve the Rainbow Mountains due to their fragility and significance. Strict regulations are in place to minimize the environmental impact of tourism and ensure the long-term conservation of this natural wonder. Number 8. Geological education. These mountains serve as an excellent site for geological education and research. Geologists and scientists are drawn to the site to study the unique geological processes that have shaped the landscape. Remember that information about specific locations can change, so it's a good idea to check the latest updates and travel advisories if you plan to visit the Rainbow Mountains in China. These mountains continue to be a marvel of nature and a testament to the Earth's geological diversity. In summary, the Rainbow Mountains in China are famous because they offer a stunning and otherworldly landscape that combines vibrant colors, unique geological features, and cultural significance. Their fame has grown due to their designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, their appeal to photographers and artists, and their status as a popular tourist destination.